Look at that shit. It's barely even on the truck. How's that even legal? We're unspottable. What are you gonna do about it? Oh, I'm totally spotted on this trailer. Holy shit, that's black. What logbook? I gotta go spot something. Oh fuck, I broke it. Holy shit, that's heavy, but I got this. I hope Blaine didn't see that. Yeah, it's supposed to do that. It's doing a burn. Spotswell is my middle name. I got a permit. Matter of fact, I got two. It's so heavy. Do you have something that needs spotted?
Oh, hold the elevator. I remember this. What's your ID number?
It's 1142. Eat my ass.
Yeah, you're gonna have to take the spare truck. At this point, I start to weigh out my options of what truck I'm gonna take next.
Three hours later.
Well, you look at that. Not far from perfect. This truck's been doing this kind of smoke show thing ever since new. If anybody else has got the same problem and has figured it out, comment below. Alright, yet another day of scraps. Not too much going on in the oil field right now, so today we have a sick garbage can we're going to pick up from in town here, and we're just going to jet it on out to Elnora and just drop it off basically, and that'll be her for today. Elnora is just probably about 40 minutes east of Red Deer, a little tiny bit south, so it won't be too far.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it.
I think that would be excessive wear on your clutch. Pretty straightforward. We're just gonna throw this garbage can right here in front of this incinerator. Lickety split, should be on the ground, and over and out.
Yeah, it's looking good. Looks really good.
Alright, we've had a few people asking exactly what kind of truck this is.
The fuck is
It
that
must
truck?
be obviously from out east, far east. So this here is a 2013 Kenworth C500. It's got a 550 ISX, 550 horsepower, nothing super special there. Everybody knows all the good and bad about the ISX. The only difference with this versus a lot of the other oil field trucks, get you in there so you can see, but there's the shaft that comes off the crank, and that's for all your hydraulics. See, my pump is right back in behind there. So what that allows you to do is be able to run your hydraulics on your winch while you're driving, moving, and so forth, which a lot of trucks, like a T800, the PTO is run off the transmission, so they don't have that option. We got some rigid lights, we got bars to save some lights, get a D sign, got the custom blue in behind, get the stainless all polished up. We got a 40-ton winch, and we got a 20,000 pound winch for light duty shit. These bunks all fold in to the deck of the truck. They come, you got hydraulic rams underneath there, and I can just push a button inside the cab and they come up. I got chain up lights, I got override suspension on the airbags. We got your heavy duty fifth wheel for all the heavy shit I'd be pulling, like bed loading garbage cans like I did today. Just here you got your basic typical roll, and then your roll helper for all the extra heavy. And that's where the number 2 comes out. And these are all held in by locking pins. It's got 2 positions, it's got one up higher. And you can see there's the pins for the back roll, comes up and down, so it allows you to basically be a tractor and a bed truck all in one. I can pack 1,100 liters of fuel, DPF, deleted, adios. We got the ghost delete. Other than that, you know, we got the heavy duty bumper for getting pulled around by the cat. Can just come and hook onto you right here when you're in the mud, or you can come up with the blade, push you back when you need to be pushed, pull, whatever. Inside, filthy as fuck. I've done some custom dash mods, just a vinyl wrap. We got the WeatherTech floor mats. I got a couple switch covers that are the switches that I use all the time because they've been wearing out the paint and it looks like shit. Got the SUI knob. You got your 2-way radio, external speaker for the 2-way. And down here, this is the winch control. So this is where all the goodness happens. So you got your power on for your winch. And we got lights. We got the flashy lights in the very back for wide loads. The auxiliary for the purple lights. And then we got bunk 1, 2, and 3. And then there's only a lock on the back bunk. We got 2-speed winch. Rear dogs, so you can free spool your winch. Air D sign up and down. And your band brake to stop your winch when you're free spooling so it doesn't take off on you. This is number 1 winch. Number 2, there's all air. Demonstrate. It's only an 18 speed, same as everything else. Then we got a 2-speed right here. 2-speed. Not my favorite. Firing in the hole. Still got a bit of a starter issue. This morning it almost didn't want to start for me. Got a bunch of hand controls here, so I can control the winch, or I control the bunks. I got that with shit tied down over top of that one, so I'm not gonna move that one. That's pretty much her. We got some compartments in the floor here, is where we keep the extra deck pins, D signs. My favorite part, since I don't have a regular bed truck like anybody else, I had to install, since I can't hang out the back window and yell at people. You see up there, up at the top, that's the loudspeaker up there. Holy fuck there, bud, get her on there right, you got her all fucked up. A personal favorite, everybody gets a kick out of when I throw that on and they're blown away like, where the fuck did that come from? And they're yelling back at me like I have an external mic so I can hear them. But yeah, that's about her. Nothing special. I guess if you have any questions, comment below. Down there. Comment section. I'll try to answer them. God damn. Sit down yonder just to keep myself awake. Ugh. We got the two Rockford 12-inch subs, so I got a powered by JL 1000 monowatt amp. Just something I needed to have, because when you spend a lot of time in a truck, you need to have a good stereo. I upgraded the stereo, it was like quite a while ago, a couple bones. Used to always have stereos in all my cars, and then I found myself not really driving my car all that much because I was working and working and working back in the day when the oil field was good. So just decided I might as well just have a stereo in here too.